Go on the other side. Hi! Riker is here. Doon ka sa kabila. Dali. Sa kabila, kuya. Kuya, get Riker. Ma'am Trish, salamat. Sir, salamat.
Tulog sa. Bye bro.
Kuya, look at Riker.
Oo. Where can I sit that mo, bebe? See, Riker? Keep straight.
Looks like you.
Those his eyes.
Yeah, this is eyes and his close.
Ay, di mo klaro. Doon ka na lang sa likod, bebe. I-transfer on the back. Sige, sige.
Doon ka sa harap. Doon ka.
Doon ka. Transfer ka.
Oh, you can
Get
sit
out of the
down.
car.
Ay, naman din ang ulam.
I'll put the ulam here. Sige, go the other side.
Mm. Ay, kuya. Oh, mo hands ha. Sige, go. Get the baby.
Sa likod na lang to.
Hi, kuya. I miss you. Aww. Look at Riker. He's so small. Pagpay ka kay Papa God. I miss you, kuya.
Miss you.
Okay? Kumusta ka? How are you there? You can hold him here. Maybe. It's his hand.
Do I have to wash my hands? Do I have to use them?
Hindi ka pa nag-alcohol? Ah, it's okay. Just don't kiss him.
So sweet seeing him in person.
Yeah.